Welcome to MotorVibes, your ultimate destination for concise and informative motorcycle reviews. Today, we're exploring 6 best budget-friendly cruiser motorcycles for 2024. Let's dive in. Number 6. Royal Enfield Classic 350. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a charming motorcycle that perfectly balances vintage aesthetics with modern reliability. Its 349cc single-cylinder engine produces 20 horsepower and 27 Newton-meters of torque, delivering a relaxed and enjoyable riding experience. One of the Classic 350's standout features is its exceptional fuel efficiency, achieving around 82 miles per gallon in real-world conditions. This remarkable economy makes it an ideal choice for budget-conscious riders and those who enjoy long journeys. The bike's classic styling is complemented by modern features such as electronic fuel injection and ABS. The attention to detail in the design, from the teardrop-shaped fuel tank to the chromed exhaust, gives the Classic 350 a timeless appeal. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is priced at $4,500, representing outstanding value in the cruiser market. In terms of handling, the Classic 350 offers a stable and comfortable ride. The upright seating position and well-padded seat make it suitable for extended journeys, although the basic suspension can transmit some road imperfections on rougher surfaces. In real-world use, the Classic 350 excels in urban environments and on leisurely rides. While not designed for high-speed touring, it offers a unique and engaging riding experience that prioritizes enjoyment over outright performance. Number 5. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S stands out in the cruiser market with its sporty handling and modern design. Powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine borrowed from Kawasaki's sportier models, it produces a lively 61 horsepower while maintaining an impressive fuel efficiency of 55 miles per gallon. One of the Vulcan S's unique features is Kawasaki's ErgoFit system, which allows for 18 possible configurations of the seat, foot pegs, and handlebars. This ensures riders of various sizes can find their perfect fit, enhancing both comfort and control. The bike's sporty nature is evident in its handling, with a responsive chassis that's equally comfortable in city traffic or winding back roads. Despite this sportiness, it maintains a cruiser-like ride quality with a laid-back seating position. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is priced at $8,200 for the ABS version. The Vulcan S comes equipped with modern features like ABS and a digital instrument cluster. The rear shock features a 7-position preload adjuster, allowing riders to fine-tune the suspension to their liking. In real-world riding, the Vulcan S impresses with its versatility. It's comfortable enough for long rides, but agile enough to be fun on twisty roads, making it an excellent all-rounder in the cruiser category. Number 4. Triumph Bonneville T120. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is a classic beauty that combines retro charm with modern performance. Its 1,200cc high-torque parallel twin engine delivers 80 horsepower and 105 Newton-meters of torque, providing smooth and responsive power delivery. Despite its powerful engine, the T120 boasts impressive fuel efficiency, achieving approximately 54 miles per gallon. This makes it an excellent choice for both city commuting and long-distance touring. The bike's classic styling is complemented by modern features, including ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, and ABS. The attention to detail in the design is evident, from the sculpted fuel tank to the elegant instrument dials. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is priced at $12,900. The T120's handling is nimble for a classic-style cruiser with a well-balanced chassis and responsive steering. The comfortable riding position and plush seat make it ideal for extended rides. In real-world conditions, the T120 performs admirably in various situations. It's equally at home, navigating city streets or cruising on open highways. The bike's character encourages a relaxed riding style, but it has enough power in reserve for more spirited riding when desired. Number 3. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a charming cruiser that combines classic styling with modern engineering. It's powered by a 349cc air-oil-cooled single-cylinder engine, producing 20.2 horsepower and 27 Newton-meters of torque. While modest, these figures suit the bike's relaxed character perfectly. Fuel efficiency is a standout feature, with the Meteor 350 achieving about 40 miles per gallon in real-world conditions. This makes it an economical choice for both daily commuting and touring. The bike's chassis prioritizes stability and comfort, featuring a double cradle frame and plush suspension. The ergonomics are well designed, with a low seat height of 30.1 inches and a relaxed riding position. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is priced at approximately $4,700. Technology-wise, the Meteor 350 offers a semi-digital instrument cluster and Royal Enfield's Tripper navigation system. It also features dual-channel ABS as standard. In real-world use, the Meteor 350 impresses with its easygoing nature and versatility. It excels in urban environments and provides a comfortable ride for relaxed highway cruising. While not the fastest, its character and efficiency make it a joy to ride. Number 2. Indian Scout 60. The Indian Scout 60 is a compact cruiser that offers an accessible entry into the world of Indian motorcycles. It's powered by a liquid-cooled 983cc V-twin engine, producing 78 horsepower with smooth, linear power delivery. Despite its cruiser classification, the Scout 60 offers impressive agility thanks to its relatively low weight and well-balanced chassis. The low seat height of 25.6 inches contributes to its accessibility and stability. Fuel efficiency is a strong point, with the Scout 60 delivering around 50 miles per gallon under normal riding conditions. The Indian Scout 60 is priced at approximately $13,500. The suspension setup, while not adjustable, is well tuned for comfort. The braking system, featuring single discs front and rear, provides adequate stopping power. In terms of technology, the Scout 60 keeps things simple with a single-pod analog speedometer and a small digital display. ABS is available as an option. In real-world riding, the Scout 60 proves versatile, handling city traffic and highway cruising with equal ease. The comfortable riding position and responsive engine make it enjoyable for extended rides, though some may find the lack of wind protection challenging on long highway stints. Number 1. BMW R12. The BMW R12 is a modern cruiser that blends classic styling with advanced technology. At its heart lies a powerful 1,170cc oil-cooled boxer engine, producing 94 horsepower and 110 Newton-meters of torque. This twin-cylinder power plant delivers smooth performance and excellent balance. One of the R12's standout features is its impressive fuel efficiency, achieving approximately 50 miles per gallon. This economical performance is thanks to BMW's advanced engine management system and aerodynamic design. The bike's chassis is engineered for comfort and handling, featuring a relaxed riding position and well-tuned suspension. Its low center of gravity enhances maneuverability, making it surprisingly agile for a cruiser of its size. The BMW R12 is priced at approximately $14,500. The R12 comes equipped with modern features, including multiple riding modes, traction control, and ABS. It also boasts a clear TFT display for easy information access. In real-world conditions, the R12 excels in both urban and highway environments. Its ample torque makes city riding effortless, while comfortable ergonomics and wind protection enhance long-distance touring. The bike's stability at high speeds instills confidence during highway cruising. And there you have it. We hope this information helps you find the perfect ride to match your style and budget. Remember, the best motorcycle is the one that puts the biggest smile on your face. Thanks for tuning into MotorVibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle content. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the road.